We have arrived in Orlando. We are here. We are in the first of our 2 hotels for this trip. And the first one is the Super 8 by Wyndham. And this is across the road from Endless Summer Dockside. So on Monday when we change over to Surfside, we've only got to walk across International Drive. That's why I chose the location. Plus it was cheap. It's worked out at under £100 for the 2 nights for 2 of us. So it's because we added the extra nights onto the holidays after we'd booked Endless Summer. So I'm going to give you a room tour. We were really surprised by the size of this room. But we will let's do a room tour.
I'll just sit down.
Yeah. Just sit down. Right, so you've got our door. It's a motel type situation. So you've got a walkway and your room opens off the walkway. So you come in, got a nice mirror there. Little Sharon. Doesn't come with the room, obviously. Got 2 queen size beds. You've got corner lamp, chair, 1 queen size bed, 2 queen size beds. Obviously you've got the bedside lamps there. We walked in and we saw the artwork and oh, and then we realised it's actually the swan and dolphin. So we like squealed a little bit. You've got another lamp. You've got little desk, TV, coffee percolator, ice bucket, microwave, full size fridge there, wardrobe, iron up there, ironing board, single sink, little mini hairdryer, large mirror, hi everyone, bathroom, obviously toilet and shower with small bath. But yeah, I mean, it's a foot bath. Beds feel really comfy, so looking forward to getting into that later. Let me turn you around again. So first impressions are they were really big rooms. I mean, they're tidy, they're clean, they're a bit dated, there's signs of wear and tear, but we are literally just going to be sleeping in this room for 2 nights. And tomorrow we're out at MegaCon all day. We're just about to actually go out and get some food now, and then we're just going to be coming in, crashing and going back out again tomorrow morning. So it was literally just somewhere to sleep for 2 nights. Yeah, as we name them, they are like flop houses. So as long as they're clean and they're not infested with bugs, you know, we don't care really what the condition of the furniture is, as long as it's not falling apart. But yeah, it's clean. Yes, it's dated. You can tell it needs a little bit of a spruce up, but it's not dirty and nothing's actually falling apart. And everything seems to work, which is, you know, all you can ask for, really. So yeah, the check-in process was really smooth, really easy. This one does take a security deposit of $100, and that can be in cash or card, and that's returned obviously when you check out.